So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can change the profile picture, or you can say the display picture of the server that you have been created. You must have to be the owner of that particular server in order to change the display picture, and you can do this process from the smartphones as well. For either it could be iOS or Android. You just need an application of Discord, or you can use the web version as well. For this video I'm going to open the Discord on my Windows PC. Now this is the home page. You all have been familiar with this. Here all you have to do is to just first simply select the server. On the left side you're gonna find all the server. You have to select the server of which you want to change the profile picture. You must have to be the owner of that particular server. For example, if I select this particular server, now here on the left top corner you're gonna find the name of that particular server. You just need to click on there, and here you're gonna find an option of server setting. Just simply click there. Now you are in the overview settings of the server, where only the server is affected by these settings. From here you're gonna see first option only, which is the minimum profile picture option, which says minimum size of this particular profile picture. Here you just need to hit upload image. When you hit that, you're gonna see your browse window will be open, and from here you have to browse the image that you want to add as a profile picture over there. For example, if I select this picture, now you're gonna see I can just simply select that picture and hit save, so that that particular profile picture is updated. So by this method you can easily update your profile picture or change the profile picture of the server that you have been created on Discord. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting videos. See you in the next one. Take care.